This is the Dick Dick. Look at this little Dick Dick! Oh, how precious! I want to squeeze it! Look, it's acting like a flamingo with its hooves. Now, the Dick Dick is a really tiny antelope. And you know what's interesting is they're found throughout eastern and southern Africas. Now, the Dick Dick has many relatives. Oh, wow, look at how precious! Including gazelle and elk, caribou, llamas, and elands. And they're just all amazing. And for the most part, they all love to graze. They're herbivores, and they like to eat a lot of shrubs. These Dick Dicks like to eat the shrubs and some berries and oh, look at that Dick Dick! Oh, it has tiny horns. Yeah, the males have little horns. They don't grow that large. And the females physically are larger than the males. They're a bigger Dick Dick than the males are. Oh my word, look at that little Dick Dick, it's so cute! Oh my word, look, it's just eating some scraps. What's that, a leaf? Watch this crazy antelope thing eat in slow motion. Oh, crazy with its arms up like that. Where's this little one off to? Oh wow, you know, the whole family of antelopes and all these gazelle and elk and caribou and whatnot, they're just so marvelous, aren't they? You look into their eyes and they have such nice big dark eyes. Oh, look at that Dick Dick! Oh, I love it! Oh! Say, don't be stupid. Why not participate in a sweetheart of a deal? There's the St. Valentine's raffle with the grand prize that is gonna be, oh, it's amazing. And it's all for Dogs for the Deaf. They are an amazing organization which, since 1977, has been adopting dogs from shelters and training them to become amazing service dogs to those who need them most. Please, to find out more what you could do for this amazing and wonderful organization, please visit www.dogsforthedeaf.org. Enter the raffle. You have nothing to lose, lots to gain.